Hi, welcome to Chief and Down with Tan Snowman. Today's guest on the show, Panda Chief Tan Snowman. Tan Snowman, welcome to the studio. Yeah, thanks for having me. I hear that Panda Poles is a failed business. Is that true? Well, failed is up for interpretation, but yeah, I guess that's kind of true. Oh man, that's weak. You must feel pretty lame. Tell us, what happened? It's kind of difficult to explain, but basically I didn't have the gumption to keep running an on-demand custom manufacturing business and compete with the likes of Amazon and Solomon without making myself absolutely crazy. You're hilarious. Well, so now what? I've got a few projects I've been working on. Oh yeah? Like what? Well, for one, digital storytelling and digital consultation. Then there's the bamboo, flax, and hemp composite skis I've been designing with Primal Skis. I'm still working on my acting career. And have you heard about Panda Vibes? Panda Vibes? That sounds pretty weird. Oh, dude, you'll love this one. But I'll let somebody else explain.
We are currently living during a time of a complete recalibration of this planet's entire ecological, social, spiritual, economic, technological, and biological structure. There is an ever-mounting energetic pressure as humanity enters a quickening of the acceleration of a quantum leap of planetary and galactic evolution.
Ah, so this is some new age woo-woo concept.
Panda Poles started not only as simply a product, but as a message to the world about how we can live as a species in harmony with each other and in tune with nature. This message eventually coalesced as a community of like-minded individuals who care for themselves, their fellow humans, fellow Earth beings, and for their home planet, Earth.
So yeah, pretty woo-woo.
And now, amidst the biosphere to noosphere transition, much like a caterpillar becoming a butterfly, Panda Poles has morphed into what is now Panda Productions, becoming a platform to connect that community, while simultaneously promoting reverent playfulness and regenerative living, as well as personal and planetary healing.
All right, so that just went way over my head. Can you tell me something I might actually understand?
First on the agenda for Panda Productions is what is being called Panda Vibes, Evolutionary Adventure Experiences. 3 days of skiing at Taos Ski Valley, New Mexico's premier alpine destination with 3,200 vertical feet of radical potential. This includes 4 nights of lodging at our private Southwestern villa, organic breakfast and dinner, the healing waters of Ojo Caliente Hot Springs, the ancient practices of yoga and qigong. Connect with skiing's spiritual purpose by tuning in with mountain meditations. Tan Snowman will be hosting a ski video clinic. Learn more about your human design. Hot cocoa? Let's take it up a notch. How about cacao ceremony? And did I mention there will be music? And to offset the carbon footprint, Panda Productions will be planting bamboo for every participant.
Okay, that actually sounds pretty legit. Nice comeback, Tan Snowman. Nice comeback. So yeah, if you're into a weekend of new age woo-woo concepts and playful vibes of epic proportions, join me, Lindsay Samia, Abby Rode, Connor Ryan, and Madeline Love for 4 days of play and personal growth in Taos, New Mexico.
We hope to have you join us February 27th through March 2nd, 2020 in Taos, New Mexico. Tribe up, Panda Vibes.